Hello everyone, it's Akira here. Happy New Year 2022. Time for a new year, time for new chances. I'm here with my friend, the Japanese badger, or the Anaguma. His name is Anaguma. He is what it is. Like, he's not bound by the chains of language as humans are. He is but a simple badger. And today I would like to do an unboxing video and a review of Hakata Torimon. It's a Japanese confectionery snack and it's really delicious. I've had it many times before and what can I say, it's one of my favorites. And here there's a package that's written in small English here, and let me read it out to you. Hakata Torimon, Seiyo Kyujitsu, the spirit of Okashi. It is what gives a peaceful and pleasant mind to the human race. All the time, man seeks romance in the Okashi. We have been working hard and carefully and work on to weave the romance and the fancy into each Okashi. This, at last, we have made up the Hakata Seiyo Wagashi. If you taste the feeling and the spirit of the Okashi, which value tradition and living in the times, there's no pleasure better than it. I think that's a really touching artist statement on a package of snacks, but I gotta say, I gotta hand it to them because I think it just puts into perspective how much body and soul is put into each and one and every of these torimon. So I would like to give it a go. Oh, and by the way, Hakata is a place in Fukuoka Prefecture. So, yeah, Hakata Torimon. I'll open it now and I'll give a review. So when you open it, you can notice that it's pretty flat. It's very kind of like a smashed pancake like it almost looks like, haha, like did someone sit on this, what the heck? But no, it's just what it is. The inside is filled with kind of like a very sweet filling that's composed of like milk, sugar, and beans, like shiroan. So it's like just a sweet bean paste like azuki, but with a different bean instead of azuki. Anyway, I'll have a taste now. Yum. It's really good. It's very creamy and it goes very smoothly in your mouth. It swallows very smoothly. What can I say? It's just one of the best snacks there is that Hakata, Japan offers. And what can I say? He loves it too. See, he's munching on it and he's just gonna get enough. And I'm so fortunate to have not just one, but 4 more of these. Can't wait to eat them all, but I won't eat it all at once. I gotta savor each and one in every moment. Anyway, that was my Happy New Year's small message and Hakata Torimon review. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you're having a okay New Year's. You know, I know it's hard to have a good New Year's in this time and age, so I hope it's at least okay. I'm having a okay New Year's. He's having a okay New Year's, I think. And I'll see you next time. Bye.